Today, I discovered some kits at my local Walmart, and I can't say Walmart today for some reason. Anyway, we're gonna go and check those out and see what those are like, and I wonder if you have them in your Walmart. So I just got back from a trip and I decided to go to Walmart because I have to get some food, and why not check out what's new in the yarn section. I'm here at my local Walmart and buy the crochet hooks and the knitting needles and the hat looms and the different tools that you use for yarn. There is the cotton yarn. But what I noticed were all the different yarn art things that you could make. Look how cute. I don't know, when I was younger, I used to do latch hook, and they have these little screens with the picture on it. So here's the picture, and it comes with the yarn to do it and then a tool, and then you can make different things. And for some reason, I remember I had a Fozzie Bear. So they have several different designs. So they have this rainbow, and each of them are $16.98. This one I really like. This one's really pretty, has some fringe on it. I don't know what this one's called. Doesn't have a name, does it? But it looks like it's 10 by 12. This one is 12 by 9. And then they have this really cute butterfly, which is 12 by 9. That one's really pretty. I like the colors on that. They also look like they have some different sets. They have a Lilo from Lilo and Stitch, and it is 12 by 12. So that will be a square. They have a Mickey Mouse, which is really adorable. And that one's 12 by 12. Each of the ones I'm showing you are 12 by 12. This one is, what is this supposed to be? It's a Squishmallow, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's a hedgehog? Oh, it's a cat. Sorry, I don't even know my creatures. Then they have a Super Mario, which is really, really cute. Now, they have these kits here at their Red Heart Amigurumi crochet kits, and they have different animals. This one is a dinosaur, a tiny T-Rex, and in each of them it looks like they have the stuffing, the yarn fill, stitch marker, thread, crochet hook, needle, and the pattern to make your little creature. So that's what this one looks like. It has purple. Looks like this is made with cotton yarn. Everything you need for the kit. Looks like they have a tiger, but he is out of stock. They do have an adorable frog, Trevor the frog. You get a nice little hook in there. I like that it has the ergonomic one. Ergonomic. Why did I say ergonomic? Crochet hook. Then they have very cute Popcorn the bunny. Very, very cute. Turn this one around so you can see it's on the inside. So it looks like each room has a different crochet hook. So there's the other stuff in there. Then they have Eddie the bear. Now that's really cute. Looks like you make his eyes with each of them. The facial features are done with the yarn included. So Eddie the bear. And there's what it looks like on the inside. Let's see, what else do they have in here? They have a llama. Oh my gosh, his name is Lawrence. Isn't he cute? Lawrence the llama. He's gonna have different, but look how cute the detail on his center is. That's really, really cute. Looks like it's chained. Let me see if they have any other ones in here. Looks like they have an octopus that they're out of. They have a llama, dino, T-Rex, kitten, which I didn't see, frog, and tiger. So those are all the sets. So if you see this in your Walmart, go check it out if you're wanting to make a simple amigurumi. They're really cute. And here's a picture up close of the tiger. And there's a fun kitty cat and a little dino is what that one is. And then if you go over to this picture, it has the octopus, the frog, the bear, and the T-Rex. I figure while I'm here, let's look at their yarn and see what else they have. Looks like they have some clearance yarn, but looks like somebody got to it before I did. So if you're in your Walmart, go look and see if they have any clearance, because this one is also, I'm not sure what that one is, but that's a, ooh, look at these. How cute are those? Those will make really fun projects. Let's see here, I see another clearance sticker. But, ooh, I think it's the brown that I liked that one time, but it's out of stock. Okay, so when I came the other day, I was choosing to make marigolds, and I was choosing between that color and, let's see, this is the other color right here. So I'll put them right next to each other. One is more neon, so I decided to go with this one to make a marigold, and it turned out that was a good choice because this one was really, really bright, and that wasn't the one I was looking for. So I've recently been invited to be part of a market that is a Halloween market, and so I have to be creative with the things that I going to put in there. So this is just my yarn section. It's not real big. I don't know, what does your yarn section look like at your Walmart? Tell me what you think. As I was walking down the aisle, I saw this other area where they have a different crafting area. So it looks like they have this really cute t-shirt where you can make a granny square. And there's two different color options, and it's on clearance for $8.50. And it contains crochet hook, 4 yarn colors, plastic yarn needle, 2 embroidery floss colors, embroidery needle, and instructions. So, not sure that it has the t-shirt, but there is a code to scan, so that's really cute. Then they have you can make your own pot. That's really cute for a plant. So this also includes, let me get this to focus here. This includes crochet hook, 2 yarn colors, full leather label, tapestry needle, embroidery floss, and instructions. And that's on clearance for $8. Then they have this really cute, make these little mushrooms. You can make 2 mushrooms. You get crochet hook, 2 yarn colors, plastic yarn needle, stuffing, and instructions. And then you have, oh, these are really cool. You can make moon coasters. And in this kit, it has a crochet hook, 2 yarn colors, plastic yarn needle, and instructions. That is really, really cute. That's $9.98. And then they have these crochet, boho crochet coasters. My goodness, try and say that 5 times fast. By Hill Folk. And that one's $10.97. And this one contains the crochet hook, 2 yarn colors, plastic yarn needle, and instructions. And the rest they have like macrame, and they have needle felting. I've never done needle felting. Have you done needle felting? And then they have embroidery kits, and then they have cross stitch. I was the queen of cross stitch for a while, but this is also in the yarn section of Walmart. Bonus time, we are going to talk about polyfill. I don't know why I didn't realize that Walmart had polyfill. So this one looks like it's $32.97 for this size, which looks like it's 10 pounds. I haven't priced polyfill in a while, so I don't know if that's even good. I used to get it at Joann, so it's good to know that Walmart has it. So this next size is 50 ounces and it's $14.97. Then you have the 16 ounces for $5.97. And then they have the smaller bags. I guess that's 16. Those are all 16. And then you have Polyfill Extra Plus. This is for, I don't even know, stuffed toys, pillow. So it's a little bit thicker than this, than the regular Polyfill. I've not seen this brand before, or I haven't seen this style before. And then, oh, they've got a crafter's choice. So I wonder if it's like a lower, anybody ever used this, the Polyfill Crafter's Classic? Stays put, it says, ideal for doll making. That's good to know. So that's that one. If you've used that, let me know. I'm really curious about that. Maybe I'll start that as a conversation. Okay, is the Walmart by you a super Walmart? Does it include a yarn section like this one behind me? Or is it sparse? Tell me where your Walmarts are and tell me if they have a good yarn section and drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.